Grubhub's order system doesn't send requests evenly, so two drivers sitting in the same area can have completely different order flow based on acceptance rate, location accuracy, and account standing. If you're not getting orders, it usually means the app is either not prioritizing your account or you're sitting outside the active demand zone without realizing it. By the end of this, you'll know the exact settings, positioning, and account issues that block orders on Grubhub and how to fix each one in order. First, check your account status inside the Grubhub driver app. If your acceptance rate is low or you've been declining too many offers recently, the system can reduce how often your account gets priority dispatch. You don't need to accept everything, but consistently declining back-to-back requests can push you down the queue for future orders. Next, fix your location positioning. Grubhub doesn't just look at the city you're in, it tracks micro-hotspots like restaurant clusters, delivery density, and driver saturation. If you're parked too far from active restaurant zones, you can sit for long periods without receiving anything even during busy hours. Move closer to restaurant-heavy strips instead of residential streets or parking lots with no food partners nearby. Then, refresh your app signal setup. If your GPS is slightly off or your app hasn't updated location properly, the system can think you're inactive or out of range. Close the app completely, reopen it, and make sure location permissions are set to always allow, so the app can track movement correctly. Another issue is timing. Grubhub demand is not constant throughout the day. If you're online during low order windows, it's normal to see long gaps with nothing coming in. The key is staying online during peak meal periods when restaurant volume spikes. Finally, check for background app restrictions. Battery saver modes and restricted data settings can delay order notifications, which makes it look like you're not receiving orders when they're actually being missed. If you combine correct positioning, clean app settings, and consistent availability during peak hours, your order flow becomes much more stable. To recap, most order problems come from account priority, weak location targeting, or app restrictions. Fix those three, and your request flow usually improves without needing anything else. Next step is simple. Log out, restart your phone, reopen the app, and reposition near a busy restaurant cluster during peak hours to reset how the system reads your activity. If this helped, like and subscribe for more driver breakdowns like this.